So the first half of this lesson, examples 1 through 4, should have been very, very easy, very straightforward. It is calculator work, it's plug-in and chug-in, if you will. Example 5, 6, and 7 require a little bit more work, and this is where we need to be able to solve exponential equations by hand. Example 5 says, what lump sum must be invested at 8% compounded monthly for the investment to grow to $30,000 in 12 years? So, if we are wanting to know, not right there, what lump sum must be invested? That's my initial amount. That's my P. So what I don't know this time is my P. That's what we need to solve for. We have 8% interest, which means my R is 0.08 and it's compounded monthly, so not continuously. So that means we have a K. And K, if it happens monthly, that means it's happening 12 times a year. And we need the investment to grow to 30,000. There's my S. And in 12 years, there's my time. So because I have a K, because I know continuously, that means I am using S equals P1 plus R over K to the KT. So plug in all of your information here. My S is 30,000. I don't know P. That's what we're going to have to solve for. And then 1 plus my R is 0.08 over, where's my formula? K, so 12 to the KT. K and time are both 12. So 12 times 12. Okay, so let's kind of clean this up a little bit. We have 30,000 equals P. Let's see what goes in the parentheses right here. So 1 plus 0.08 divided by 12 gives me this number here. I'm going to go ahead and turn that into a fraction. So I'm going to hit math, fraction. We have 151 over 150. We don't want to round until the very end. And 12 times 12 gives me 144. That's getting a little messy there. Sorry about that. But so 12 times 12 is the power of 144. Okay, now when they want to know the lump sum, once we clean this up, this is very easy. We can put this in our calculator and get a decimal. In fact, let's just go ahead and do it. What is 151 divided by 150? The 144th power, it's about 2.6. So we have 2.6-ish times P. How do we get P by itself? You just divide that over, right? Even though this is a number, not really in number form, but this is a number. You can put it all in. So we have a number, specifically 2.6-ish times P. So divide that whole thing over to the other side. Okay, leave the color here. This will cancel out now. And so now we have P equals 30,000 divided by 151 over 150 to the 144th power. So let's put this in our calculator, and I would probably use N over D. So let's go alpha y equals for our fraction. 30,000 in the top. Oops. And 151 divided by 150 to the 144th power. Talking about money, we're at 11,500 $523.44. So that is how much he should invest if he is getting 8% interest compounded monthly and wants to get to $30,000 in 12 years. That's how much he needs to deposit.